welcome to Crown Rig Auto. First, I would like to apologize for being gone for so long. I took a little mini vacation out to Universal Studios, as some of you guys might have seen in my Snapchat. Taking a break is probably one of the worst things any YouTuber can do, because you know, taking a vacation for that long equals the algorithm forgetting about you, subscribers losing interest, notifications not going out. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get a job at McDonald's. I hope you guys are still there for me. But anyways, we're gonna search this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna... This guy. Hey! What kind of criminal activity are you up to? Anyways, check it out. There's some type of lights in there. Oh, I do not trust that guy. See what I'm talking about? Criminal activity. You can't be doing that around here. Stop! Ah! This guy. Guys, I'm excited to announce that your favorite cop car explorer has teamed up with Dollar Shave Club, so I can no longer look like a homeless bum. The Dollar Shave Club can provide you with everything to complete the 3 shushes of success: shower, shave, and show up.
That's right, all the grooming needs right to my door. Everything from shaving products, shower products, hair products, oral products, skin products, and even butt wipes. Everything you need to look, feel, and smell your very best. Not only will they save you time and ship right to your door, but the more you buy, the more you save. They call that the handsome discount. Right now, take advantage of the special offer they have where you can get a shower, shave, or oral product sets for only $5 each. Right here, they sent me all 3 starter sets. My facial hair grows really fast, so I really love their shave starter sets. I mean, look at this executive razor. It works effortlessly. And these 3 tubes of Dr. Carver's shave products, the prep scrub, the shave butter, and the post shave dew all smell amazing, by the way. Totally worth it, guys. Value, convenience, what's not to love? Support Crown Rig Auto and join the Dollar Shave Club with one of their starter sets for just $5. After that, the restock box ships regular size products at a regular price. Get the exclusive deal at www.dollarshaveclub.com/CRA today. All info in the description below.
We're gonna try to figure out where it came from, where it's going. We're gonna try to find that biscuit. Seriously. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. I've been so lucky with so many of those lately. All right, let's start from the front. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Wow, there's a lot of car spaghetti back here. Looks like we have a center console. We have a Panasonic Toughbook charging station. I like their little solid color scheme they got going here. No smoking. If you're smoking in 2019, I'm sorry, but you're a freaking loser. These look like push bar brackets. Put that right over here. We have a Santa Cruz gun lock. That's great. We have Beetlejuice. Antennas, yeah. It was a dome-like cover. Handcuff holster. No handcuffs, unfortunately. What is in here? I'm feeling a little bit of wind. I hope it's not too windy. Anyways, right here we have a Motorola mic. Hello, security man? Is there anybody out there? Anybody at all? I got a proposal for you. I'm willing to drop all the charges: murder, grand theft, kidnapping, robbery, everything, if you be my security man. Now I tried to start this car with no success. Let's take a look around to the other side. Hilarious coffee mug here. Antiseptic spray, streamlight charger, gun lock timer, and police meal check. Gerber. It's got a bunch of little tools, including scissors, knives. Thank you, Mr. Cop, who left this behind. Law enforcement training certificate. Congratulations, Mr. Cop. What the hell? Over here. All right, so let's look on this side. I was rudely interrupted by some. Oh, there they are.
Let's see if we could jack up a car with that.
Oh crap, that's a good idea. Well, it's 300 pounds max. It said.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. Heck. Looks like some sort of gun holster. Uncle Mike's sidekick.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, let me see.
Uncle Mike's?
Whoa.
You heard of Uncle Mike's before?
He likes it.
It's awesome,
He's like, man, that'll fit perfect on my duty belt.
Whoa. Little holster?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money for someone who's always at Burger King.
Burger King. And we got
A nice spot.
Unity spotlight.
Clean.
Are those shells? 50 caliber shells?
No, those are actually antennas. All right, guys, now it's time to test out this. I bet you can't guess what color this is. Bet you'll never guess.
Just blue, huh?
Nope. What does that remind you of?
Somebody I know.
It's CHP. Oh, what is this? Survival rescue blanket. Put it on, see what it feels like.
Get the bottom, get the bottom. Get my feet, get my feet. Am I supposed to get a tan?
No, it's supposed to make you feel warm. Wear like a blanket.
Kinda works.
It definitely works, man.
You try it.
I am Captain Crown Victoria.
Please be a biscuit, I'm not talking about bread.
What was that biscuit comment about?
What?
What kind of biscuit were you talking about?
The kind of biscuit that will put you out of commission.
Oh, weed biscuits.
Safety triangle. Looks like we have some snakes,
Are you a cop?
car snakes.
Are you wearing a wire? Out this big ass.
Who's wearing a wire? Oh, you're wearing. Are you here to investigate me? You here to investigate me?
I'm civilian.
Hey, here, dude. How about you, man?
I can hear you, man, but I don't see. What?
But did you put Pishara?
I ain't gonna listen to no damn stuff, minion.
Hey, here, dude.
Ooh, this is. What the heck is this? Is this what I think it is? Look at this, guys. This is a weaponized fidget spinner. Look at this thing. It is for reals. Hold on, let me spin it. Look at that, those are freaking blades. I gotta put this to the test. I gotta find somebody that's gonna let me test this out on them. Let me introduce you to
They call me Criminal.
Criminal. What kind of name is that? Either he's brave or crazy, who knows. But let's try it out.
You gotta spin harder than that, blood. I got rhino skin.
Oh, this guy's got rhino
Oh, I
skin.
made blood, look.
Oh, he got
That's
him.
the dots.
Let's hope
Tight.
this wasn't infected.
Holy shit.
What the hell? Are you okay? I told you that fidget spinner was infected, bro. right, so here's everything I was able to milk out of that car. Some brackets, holster, spotlight handle, LED light, some antennas, Santa Cruz gun lock, inflatable pry bar. This is pretty cool. Center console with the Panasonic charging station, amber and blue third brake light, some mics, Streamlight charger. I say it was a successful day. What do you guys think? What was your favorite find?